Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one is an animal. Correct. Number two means in all places. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The monkey drinks water every day. The monkey drinks water every day. Monkey. A monkey is an animal with a tail. Now we can make a flashcard for monkey. One monkey, two monkeys. An ape is a big monkey with no tail. And primate is another word for monkey. Please make a flashcard like this. Write monkey up here in the top left corner. M-O-N-K-E-Y. And together with ape and primate. Down here in this corner, A-N-I-M, 1. This means animal, level 1. And over here, the number 19 out of 33. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Mung. Ki. Monkey. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. I wanna go everywhere. I wanna go everywhere. Everywhere. But when we speak quickly, we say everywhere. I wanna go everywhere, to every country in the world. Everywhere means all places in the world. Now we can make a flashcard for everywhere. In our program, we also have somewhere and anywhere in level 1 and nowhere in level 2. Please make a flashcard like this. Write everywhere up here in the top left corner. E-V, E-R-Y, W, H-E-R-E. Down here, GW1. This means grammar word level 1. And over here, the number 47 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Where, everywhere. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned monkey has a tail. Yep, an ape has no tail. And where do you want to go? Everywhere. Very good. And level 2 words, if you're high level. Number 1, we eat. Correct. Number 2, can you say it? Financial. About money. Number 3, to hide something somewhere so no one can find it. please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.